Hi everyone, today we are unboxing a special package that came through. I've been waiting for this for a while. It is a special package and a special shout out going to KDawg, or as I like to call him, Kevin. And this.
Why are you shouting out to Kevin?
Because he also is looking at this. So he will be watching this and deciding whether he wants to get up to. Again, I got it from Flybys. So yeah, so it comes with a weird little liquid thing. I wonder if there are instructions for it. I think it's a cleaning liquid, it's concentrate, and I think you put it in the machine. So find out. So this is a Karcher cordless window vacuum. It's meant to clean windows, etc. Another shout out to James C, who I call James. He's the one who got me onto this and thinking about getting this. He says his son Finn loves it and his wife Lana also really like it. So yeah, let's unbox this. So looks like cleaning area is 210 square meters. And 2 batteries included, and there's a rechargeable battery unit. Okay. And so this is just the outside of the box.
Okay, just open it.
No, wait. We have to look at the box first.
Just looked at the box.
No, there's lots of good things on the box. There's like instructions and putting things together. I don't know what that is. It's 20 centimeters in squiggle. And like a swirly thing there. And street. And then in the box, in the charging station with 2 interchangeable batteries, a small suction nozzle, a new spray bottle with microfiber wiping cloth, window cleaner concentrate, which is that. Features: battery detailed battery status.
Shouldn't you do this with the thing out?
What thing else?
Look, like, see, this is the accessory. Because looking at the picture,
Okay.
isn't really.
Right. Let's see what we have in here too. Special accessories with it, some other bits and pieces. Oh my god. Okay. Spray nozzle. And a little spray thing there. This little squeegee cleaning thing. It's pretty nice solid build. It doesn't feel too cheap. Rubber feels really nice. Obviously it cleans things. And where's this?
Maybe pull it all out and then you can look at it.
These instructions. Oh, this is the unit. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. A lot lighter too. Picture, you kind of think it's really small. It's like oh, there's a battery in it. It goes. Alright. Oh, instructions. Okay. We'll do these later. And more instructions. There's not so many instructions as this thing has. Okay, step 1. Unbox it. We're still in that step.
Okay, set it out like this picture, love. Can you see this picture?
Okay, we're going to set it up.
This picture. Making sure we've got everything.
Small little squeegee ones. I forget what Jim said was good to use. A small one or the big one?
We'll have to try it out both.
You can try it. I think the big one's good for when you're doing big bits of windows and getting the condensation. I don't have too much condensation problems wise, but
Yes, we do.
So We do?
Mm.
In some places, not all places. I don't know what this is. It's a
That's
little back
the
scratching.
no. That's see. Look in the box.
Oh, okay. There's more stuff.
No. Here.
Oh, look, there's more.
Here. This is the that's the scrubber to get all the.
More concentrate.
That's the scrubber.
Oh, it's a scrubber. That's what it is. That's what the thing is. Scrubber. Okay. I bet you Alex will be loving this. He loves domestic doodads. He loves his vacuum cleaner. It's funny that guys talk like this. Guys do talk about appliances and promos and gadgets. He does love his
Much
Dyson.
to their wives' disbelief.
Alex will make a wife very happy one day because he loves his vacuum cleaner. And his parents love it when he does the vacuum cleaner.
Which parent doesn't?
Yeah, that's a good point. That's a good point. Yeah, so that's the scrubbing thing, which I think goes on this.
Okay, how about we just unbox it and then you can put it on rather than guessing?
Okay, just sticks on. And then I think this goes on there. I don't need instructions, I can just hold it on. Instructions
Typical.
are for losers. I'm an engineer, trust me.
Typical
people.
man.
Trust me. No, I'm an engineer, you can trust me. Yeah. The build quality feels really good. That's one of the battery packs. This feels a bit like light and cheap, which is surprising. While this feels kind of really sturdy.
That's just the charger though, it doesn't really need a...
Yeah, but you want it to be sturdy, everything's sturdy. That's all.
Yeah, but the Germans don't build crappy things.
It's made in Germany?
Karcher is a German brand.
Oh, designed and engineered by Karcher in Germany. By Alex's. He's coming back. Alex, so this is you in Germany. Oh, Deutschland. Okay. What is this? Oh no, this goes in here.
It's foreign though.
Hold on, this doesn't screw on. What's this for? Okay, instructions time.
Oh, that goes to that.
Okay, so this supposedly
This.
goes on this. So I think
how
you use
smart
this
is
to
that?
clean.
You spray it and then you scrub it. That's so German. Very efficient.
Very efficient, yes. Chocolate. Except the thing doesn't scone very nicely, so that's not very efficient. Either that or it's kind of,
Maybe you're not doing it properly.
or maybe it's not good for idiots.
For engineers that refuse to look at the instructions.
I didn't need to look. I don't want to break it. Unlike some people, like, who just ram it in there.
Hey, I've given you sense, buddy.
And then this goes in here. Oh, that was instructions number 2.
Yes, that's...
Exactly, I know. And where's the other little squeegee thing on? This is, oh no. And then this little squeegee thing which sticks on there goes on here. It goes on there nicely, and you can see the little holes there. And you just go spritz.
Scrub.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So that's step 1. Now step 2.
You're gonna make sure that you're within the camera reach of.
And then step 2. That one goes in there. It clicks in there really well. Now how do I get it out? You press. What's this rolling thing do? And this is to unclip it. Yep. Am I doing the right way? Yep. What's this thing do?
Oh, look.
Instructions.
Look.
Yeah, no, this is just the 2 attachments. You can roll, use this one, which is the smaller one, or the bigger one. Oh. Maybe this is to keep dirt out. Hey, quiet.
Oh no, that's to evenly disperse the water maybe. Underneath it's the rolls. So the...
You don't put it like that.
the water would come through, turn around, through here, and then it would, so it doesn't come out in spurts?
No, there's no spurts, it's sucking up the water.
Okay.
Ooh, that comes out. I just got that as an engineer. I didn't need any instructions. There's no instructions on press the button here.
Okay.
And then you've got this.
Lovely, please don't break it.
No, break it. I'll make it better.
No, you're not. Really,
They
really
broke it
lovely. We
sturdy.
don't have...
See how it goes. That pops off. And you can put this and pull it out. Yes. Just use this and just open it, pour that in there, fill it up with water in your way.
So what's between this and this? Or is that...
Oh, this is 4 of these.
Oh, okay. So that's a single one, and this has 4 of them in there.
Yeah. And that's it. And this is the charger for it.
So maybe we should put it on charge and...
Yeah, we'll put it on charge and then we can test it out. But yeah, otherwise, it seems really cool. Design's got kind of sharp edges, which I would have thought they would have smoothed it out, but plastic bolts.
Maybe it's for the fit. So it fits nice.
With the sharp bits? I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Clicks in properly.
Yeah, it does click in very well. None of the pieces seem like they don't belong. So look at that. Nice solid click. No gaps.
It's a smooth line.
It doesn't really... and that's nice and solid. Look at the design. Feels really sturdy. Nice rubbery grip. So I can imagine use the cleaner, and if you're washing, that'll be quite slippery.
Would you use it to say that it's ergonomic?
Yes, I would say that it's ergonomic. And yeah, and this baby goes in here, and we'll give the there we go. Get it nicely. It's kind of interesting with the gap there. I suppose you have to have a gap, but nice consistent.
No, I have a look closer.
More or less. Consistent gap, more or less. I do not know what that is. We'll find out. And yeah, we'll plug this on the charger. I think you can just plug it direct.
No, you have to the extension cord.
Oh, look. See, this is really smart. You can charge both the batteries at the same time. You can actually charge this. How cool is that? The Germans are efficient. God damn, I love the Germans. Wunderbar, wunderbar, wunderbar. So, here, look at this. Look at this, people. There's one set of batteries in there, right? Look at this. Wunderbar. That goes in there. And this
So
one.
that's charging there, is it?
Yeah, so they both go in there.
And can you make sure
they
that
should
it's
have
charging?
closed. Not so wunderbar is the fact that when it's in there, you can't close this. But maybe that's so you don't forget about it.
Yeah.
And yeah. Okay, and we'll plug it into charge, and then the next video we make... Oh no. Let me read the instructions. We'll plug this in to charge. Somewhere.
We'll put the liquid in and stuff, and then we'll have it ready to go.
Maybe it goes...
Up under the bottom. There it is.
What?
So, just take that out.
Yeah, but then it's not charging then.
No, see? There's a little...
Oh, look at that. Again, German design. That goes underneath there. Then you loop this around very prettily. Oh, look. If you've got excess cable, you loop it around. Look at that. Oh, what an awesome design. You click it in there, underneath. I was like thinking, oh, geez, look at the design flaw. You only charge 2 things, you loop it around. And they have them both for left-handed and right-handed people. Special left-handed people. And then it loops out here.
Choose your words wisely, buddy.
And there. Look at that. So if there's any excess cable, it's just small things like that. And look, and for ambidextrous people, you can go in the center. Stop laughing. It's efficient.
No, it depends on where the charge is and
No,
where,
it's for
where it's facing.
ambidextrous people. They have it in the center.
Okay.
Look, I found this totally amazing and blew my mind. Watch the lights on this. This is some crazy Knight Rider stuff going on right here. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at it. James is going to be mocking me right now going, God, you're special. But look at this. Almost needs the Knight Rider music.
Should we name it Kit?
Karcher. Kit Karcher. Yes. Excellent. Okay. I don't know if this is charging. It needs a light of its own, but it's not. Do I need to click it in? I think it just charges. Yeah, I think it's just charging. Alright. Okay.
I'm just see. We'll have to give feedback on that too.
Another mind-blowing discovery. I read the instructions. Funny that. And
Should listen to your wife.
And there's meant to be a loud click. That's
Click.
German translation.
Click.
Click.
Inverted commas.
Inverted commas. In quotes. And we were just checking before. I was like, look, it doesn't really fit in nicely because it wasn't going in properly. You're meant to put it lip in first, and then click. Now close this. Oh my god, look at it. And that. And that. And that. And that. Does it synchronize?
No.
No. Wait for it. It must synchronize at some point. Yeah.
But with what light? There's 3 of the lights there.
So now we've got that flashing there. And that charging there. And it reckons 185 minutes to charge it fully. After 185 minutes, we should be able to test it out. See you soon. Again.